Hi, my name is Archie from NoteForms. Do you know that you can personalize your form and add and customize your own Favicon? Let me show you an example. So here we have the client onboarding form. You have the client name, company name, email, start date, service or project needed, and details and requirements. It's already filled out. But what you can notice is that the form on the top of the page has its own favicon. It's a smiley face on this form. It's going to be more personalized experience for users. And you can click submit as a user. And there you go. As a form owner, you can go to your form and click Notion database, and it will automatically route you to your Notion database to see the submissions. And as you can see here, we have the one that we just recently submitted, Archie, working from NoteForms and needs help with sales and marketing. Notion forms are good, especially if you're looking for straightforward and easy to use forms. However, it doesn't have advanced features. For example, is uploading or customizing your own favicon. And this is going to be really important, especially if you would like to represent your brand to your form users or customers and make your form more personalized and engaging. So now let me walk you through on how to add a favicon to your Notion form. So here, let's create a new form. And we have the option to choose an existing Notion database, use AI to generate the form, create from scratch, or use existing templates. For convenience, let's use the AI form builder and enter the prompt that we already have prepared and click generate. And let's just wait a few seconds. This should take only less than 30 seconds according to the AI form builder. It's 12 seconds now, creating the field labels, setting up the form structure. It's optimizing user experience. We're almost there at 23 seconds. 28 seconds now. 31 seconds. Okay, less than 40 seconds, about 30 seconds, we already have our form created. So it's a client onboarding form. We have the client name, company name, email, start date, project or service needed, and the requirements or project details. So next thing that we need to do is click settings on the upper left of the page and then go to link settings. And here we have the option to upload a favicon. So let's upload one that we already prepared. It's uploading the file, and let's just wait for it to finish. So as you can see, it's a smiley. It's already there. And the last thing that we need to do is click publish form and then select the Notion page where we would like the Notion database to be created. And then click save form. And just wait for a few seconds and the form will now be published and the Notion database as well will be created. Hopefully this video helps, but if you still have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us via our live chat support and we will be happy to answer your questions. Again, my name is Archie and thank you so much for supporting NoteForms.